Hi guys! Today we're going to recover deleted videos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right side of your screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal account where all your posted content is managed. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. As soon as you tap on it, a menu will appear from the bottom with different options. This is where TikTok keeps all the important account settings. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. After opening it, you'll see many options related to your account. Don't get confused, just scroll down slowly because the option we need is a little further below. As you scroll down inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Content and Display section. Under that section, you'll find Activity Center. Tap on it because this is where TikTok stores your recent account activities, including deleted content. Inside Activity Center, you'll see different options. From there, tap on Recently Deleted. Now you'll be able to see your deleted videos listed here. Simply select the video you want to restore and recover it. But remember, TikTok only keeps deleted videos for 30 days. If more than 30 days have passed, unfortunately, you won't be able to recover them. So make sure to restore them within the time limit. So that's how you can recover deleted videos on TikTok quickly and easily. Just make sure you act within 30 days. Otherwise, the videos will be permanently removed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you successfully recovered your video. I'll see you in the next one.